Okay, this is my third video today, and it's a bike check and review of my Fit Dugan 2 2013. First we have Aaron Ross keyboard grips, purple. Not too bad, not too bad. Fit, to make something, brake lever and brake cable. 29-inch wide fit bars and 8.5 rise, something like that. Fit front load stand, which I don't like the front load stands. I like their top loads much better. Fit temperature fire front tire, which is parked as you can see. Revenge single front rim. Now, it actually did come in black, but it was something with the frame had the back too. We wanted the black one, so I was like, oh yeah, let's sort for the regular one. Fit forks, just regular. 713 Fit Dugan 2 frame. 20.75 top tube. Fit pedal seat. Odyssey twisted pedals. Fit cranks. Sealed bottom bracket. By the way, the front one's sealed. 25 tooth fit sprocket. Camset chain. Non-tooth driver. Chip up one back tyre. Fit. Revenge double back rim. Revenge hub. Sealed. And drop test. It's actually very solid, and hope you enjoyed this video, and yeah.